Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen mask. First, pull the mask firmly towards you to start the oxygen flowing. Next, place the mask over your nose and mouth, ensuring a complete seal. Then, secure the elastic band around your head for a snug fit. Finally, breathe normally and calmly. Remember, oxygen will be flowing even if the bag does not inflate. This simple process ensures you receive vital oxygen quickly. It is important to understand how to confirm oxygen delivery. The plastic bag attached to the mask may or may not inflate, and this is perfectly normal. Oxygen is still flowing to you, even if the bag does not expand with each breath. Do not be concerned if the bag remains flat. Your primary focus should be on breathing steadily and deeply. Trust that the system is working as intended. When cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks deploy for everyone's safety. Remember, it is crucial to secure your own oxygen mask first, ensuring you can breathe properly. Once your mask is on and functioning, then you can assist children or other passengers who may need help. Make sure their mask covers both their nose and mouth and encourage them to breathe calmly. Your quick action helps everyone. Oxygen masks deploy automatically when there is a significant change in cabin pressure. It is vital to keep your mask on until a crew member specifically advises you to remove it. Even if you start to feel better, do not remove the mask prematurely. Always follow all instructions provided by the flight crew. They will inform you when it is safe to take off your mask. Your cooperation ensures everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.